First lesson in the Abarth, and I'm meeting Jackie, who's gonna take a drive in it.
Hey,
so
Francis.
We've got the new car today. What is up, guys? This is Jackie.
Hello, guys.
You know her from previous videos on the channel.
I'm excited.
Are you? I was gonna say, are you excited?
I spy something already. Oh my God, it's so bright and neon. So everyone will see me coming from miles away. It's your favorite color, isn't it?
It's literally my favorite color.
I mean, I'm glad that everyone will see me drive in this little...
The brochure calls it Adrenaline Green.
Sweet.
But I think it's definitely fluorescent yellow. Come and have a look.
Okay. Okay, and it's an Abarth?
Yes, not a Fiat.
Well, I was going to say it reminds me of the Fiat Punto size. Every time Francis gets very angry when I say that.
Okay, it's not a Fiat Punto, and it's not a Fiat 500. Abarth 595. Shall we have a look around?
Let's have, yeah, definitely. Am I allowed to open?
You can open for sure.
Wow.
Stand by for a private plate going here. Surprise though, I won't tell you what that is yet.
Private plate?
Yes, so here, jump in.
All right. It feels so new and fresh.
Yes. Let me jump in too. Okay, so welcome to the new car.
Thank you.
Abarth. You've just driven the Mercedes. I know that you weren't a massive fan of it.
Yes. Yeah. I mean, I'm used to, I say it again, the
Fiat Punto. You're used to a small car.
This size feels a lot more.
It feels like home. Inside, what are we thinking?
Very flashy, fancy.
We've got a nice steering wheel, the Alcantara leather on top, the Abarth Scorpion badge in the middle. What about this though?
Yeah, so windows.
Windows are in the wrong place.
Windows are in the middle.
Yep.
What I like is we have a handbrake again.
A proper handbrake, yeah.
Which I didn't like with the Mercedes.
No, it not only was a button, but it was in the wrong place.
And it threw me off every single time.
Every time. Cool. Oh, this car though, right, is 180 brake horsepower. And it's really, really fast. And it's got a special exhaust that makes it sound really good.
Okay,
Switch it
sweet.
on. Switch it on and listen.
I can hear it. Wow, okay.
It sounds even better in sport mode.
Shall we do it again?
Did you hear that? Hear the difference?
So what's sport mode?
Sport mode makes it go really fast and it makes the exhaust really loud. Sport mode's for me when I'm driving as the hot boy racer I am, and lessons is probably going to be not sport mode.
So does that mean that you're one of these who is really loud when you go around the block?
Because you've got your test really soon, do you want to tell them when?
Sure.
Really soon, November the 1st, we're gonna have a tour of the show me tell me questions.
Okay.
In the car.
Okay.
So that you can familiarize yourself with the car. You guys can see around the car.
Sweet. So are we gonna open the bonnet?
We'll open the bonnet and have a look inside.
Open the bonnet.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
The engine bay is beautiful and it's got a proper dipstick, none of that Mercedes nonsense. But first let's have a drive.
Are we ready?
Do you know how much I love this car?
I
People are like, yeah, but you drove a Mercedes before. I'm like, you have no idea how good this car is. It's so good. It's so good.
But the colour, okay.
Yes,
wait,
the
no, I
colour
need
is...
to adjust one more time.
There was a much more sensible version of this car.
Okay.
That was 160 horsepower, not so fast, and it was black. And it had a sunroof.
Why is it called horsepower?
It's the power of the horses. So like, back in the day when cars were first invented and there was like horses and carts and then cars, you would say, that car, oh no, maybe it was trains, but you would say that engine has the power of 3 horses.
Gotcha.
Because you would like need a certain amount of horses to pull the carts. Like that's a small cart, 1 horse, bigger cart, 2 horses.
I learned something already. I genuinely, yeah.
Something like that.
Some good knowledge right there.
Cars have 180 horses. This isn't like the power of 100.
How much is this one?
180.
180.
That's fucking loads.
Are we doing this?
We are bloody doing it. Yes.
Are you awake?
You're already switched on. I'm awake. Are you awake?
Yeah, that's the question.
I've been fine. You've had COVID all week.
I've had COVID, so
yes.
My brain's fried. Okay, so I'm looking around because otherwise you're not happy.
I'm not happy if you don't look around.
Where do you? Well, we have to
We're
go
going left. And obviously because you live here, you know the way out of the estate.
Of course. Okay. It's a very nice estate.
It's lovely.
Right?
We're going to turn left.
Okay.
And I'm going to show you the first thing about this car.
Okay.
Because it's super racy, it's got very stiff suspension.
I feel like the clutch is nice already.
Oh, it's so easy.
It goes quite fast.
It does.
Like, yeah. Meeting situation, Francis.
How are we going to deal with this,
well,
Jackie?
they need to let me go because he's got the space. Thank you.
Who's got the space? You've got the space.
I have the space. Okay. Well, he also had some space.
Okay, Jackie, because you're super close to your test, I'm not going to help you with anything,
Okay.
but I'm going to point out every time you make a mistake.
Oh, thanks.
On that meeting situation, if you're going to duck into the left side, what do you need to do first?
Check the mirrors.
Yes, absolutely. Why?
There could be someone there.
Yes, cyclists. So you just put a cyclist in hospital,
Oh,
right?
man, damn. We
Poor-
don't want that.
Poor cyclist. We absolutely do not.
No.
That would be terrifying. Turn right at the giveaway line.
Okay. Position, speed.
Oh, so meaty, isn't it? It's got so much.
Yeah.
Yeah? Like?
Yeah, I'm still, I have to say I'm liking it already better than the Mercedes after this 1 minute of driving.
Me too. Let's go left, first exit on the roundabout.
Mirror. Okay, follow the... Oh, that was the roundabout, okay.
Yes.
Sorry,
You cancelled the signal. What was that?
because I wasn't sure whether that was the roundabout
Oh,
already.
okay. Right.
But I clocked it.
You did.
That wasn't a fail just yet.
That wasn't a fail just
No.
yet. It was just you did something weird.
Okay. I'm warming up, I promise. Zebra crossing.
Okay, again, when we're driving ahead, let's think about the next thing that's in front of us. Bus stop. What are you going to do about it? Move to the right? Let's check the mirrors then. If you're overtaking a parked car, do the same thing. Check mirrors, move to the right. Turn right into the car park, into Lidl. Feel how harsh it is over this bump. Oh!
Sorry,
Steer
car.
left here. The Mercedes, you wouldn't even have felt that.
Really?
Stop here. Yeah, because it's so smooth and luxury. This car feels just race. I love it so much. Okay, just to show how cool. Well,
Yeah, okay. I love the passion, Francis. Okay.
calm down.
Francis loves the car, in case we did not
Calm down,
notice.
boy. So, what we're going to do here is a bay park. That's not neutral. So that we can see how easy this car is to park.
Okay.
Or not easy. I've tried to park it a couple of times and it's really, really easy because it's so small. You get like a whole
Yeah,
swimming
don't
pool
say that, no.
in your bay. So, you've got your driving test in a few weeks. Give me a forward bay park. And I'm not going to help you, but we'll talk about it afterwards.
Okay.
And then we'll do some COVID. I'm catching your COVID.
I was just gonna say, are you gonna...
Are you all right, Francis? Or did
Are
I give you
you-
COVID?
Did I give you COVID? I don't...
I caught COVID off you in, how long was it? 10 minutes?
So I have a suspicion that the reference point is different compared to the previous car. Okay, so this is messed up.
It's really just an excuse for me to get more shots of the car, for sure.
Can't see, the sun is blocking. A little bit more. Okay, that looks better. Straighten up. Okay. Right. So reverse park. Let's revise. I revise.
Go for it.
Well, we choose the bay. Then it's line in the middle of the window. Well, normally it's 3 bays back, isn't it?
Yeah, if you want to get into a specific bay, choose your bay, then go forward 3 lines.
And then we hope for the best, and then we square off the car.
Okay. Okay, no.
No?
You've got to go
that's
forward
not
a lot
gonna
more.
work.
That's not going to work if you park there.
Huh? What?
Let's go back to your shoulder then, which would be about here.
Okay, I'll tell you now.
That's better, a tiny bit more.
Please. So it's not half a window.
Stop. In the Fiat Punto it might have been, but not in the Mercedes and not in this car. So where's that now? At your shoulder?
Yeah.
Perfectly at your shoulder. Cool.
Fast steering, slow on the...
Same as forward, but going backwards.
I think it might happen. Yes. Okay. Squaring up. Looking around some more. Slow and steady. I would say no.
Great, nice park. Happy with that?
We're in.
Yes. Okay, so let's do show me questions. So, show me questions. There's 7 of them.
Okay. Yes.
Fucking this up now. Okay, show me questions. There's 7 of them.
Sweet.
What we want is the front and rear demister. Let's go for that first. Can you see where that is in this car?
Okay, so I spy something. Front.
Yep.
Well, this is the putting it up to your face and down.
Yep.
And this is the back one.
Perfect.
Wow.
Turn on the dipped headlights. Can we see where that is?
Turn on the dipped headlights. Here.
Yep.
That's dipped.
Wash and clean the front and rear windows.
So that's over here.
Yep. So push it towards you. And then we've got the front, and then pull it.
Pull
No,
it.
you pulled. Okay, start again. Pull it towards you,
I'm pulling.
and that's the front.
Yeah.
And then push
Push
away.
away is the back.
Is the back. Yes.
Yeah.
Cool. Push it. Yeah, fine. Then we need to know how to open and close the window.
Yes.
And
but
the windows are in a weird place in this car.
So I think I can figure that one out just
Yeah.
about.
Last one is the horn. Let's see how the. Okay.
Oh yeah.
I would have thought a racing car would have had a better horn. That's
Sorry.
more like a Fiat horn.
I thought so too.
Yeah, give it again.
Yeah. I'm not so impressed, I'm sorry.
Okay, yeah.
Considering the engine sound.
Yeah, well, the engine is like, and the horn's like, excuse me. We have a catch in the middle of the.
It's really hot.
Yeah, because we've been driving.
I know. It's
We've been
dangerous.
power driving.
Huh. And where is
Slide
it?
the catch. If you can't see it, just have a look.
The yellow thing.
Slide the yellow thing and lift up the bonnet. Nice. And
Whoa,
there's
it's
a
hot. Yeah,
bonnet
I go. I
holder
know it.
opener. It's probably got a proper name, but we'll call it that for now. Okay, cool. So you knew the show me, tell me questions in the old car.
Sure. So that's the dipstick.
That
That's
is the
oil.
dipstick, that is the oil.
Yeah. So how do we know that there is enough oil? I tell you, you take out the dipstick, you wipe it clean, you put it back in, and you're gonna make sure it's the oil between the markings.
Perfect.
Wow. Next up, engine coolant. Wait. Is it? This one?
Yes.
Yeah. Same thing here, define min max. We are perfectly in the middle. No need to top up. Then we have, this is the windscreen wiper liquid.
Yes.
Yeah.
But they won't ask you that
I
question.
know, but you know, you can always learn some additional facts. Then we have
brake fluid.
That's the brake fluid. There is some German right here. Nur original Bremsflüssigkeit means brake fluid.
Okay, can you speak German?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
But you know that I'm Swiss, no?
Do they speak, I thought they spoke French in Switzerland.
Francis.
No?
We speak Swiss German, French, Italian and German.
Okay, fair
and
enough.
I'm from Zurich, the German part.
Interesting.
So I speak Swiss German and German.
Say, my new Abarth is an amazing car in German.
Mein neuer Abarth ist super.
That was fun. I'm glad you like the new car. I'm glad we've worked out new reference points. And I'm glad that you like driving it more than the Mercedes.
I do.
Because I like driving it more than the Mercedes too.
I think it's more intuitive. Why did you get a Mercedes?
Because I thought it looked really good on camera. And it
Well,
did. It looked really good.
It looks posh.
It looks posh. It's fancy. It's
Yeah,
like
but do we want posh?
It's not a great car to drive though. It's a poser's car. And I thought I was about that life. Turns out I'm not.
After 5 years.
After 3 years. I had that car for 3 bloody years. And I'll tell you what, when I got the car first,
Yeah.
then it was very rare on the road, especially
Yeah.
a white one, and like in the spec that I had it. Now, every time you look at, I don't know, a car park, you can point out like 5 different A classes, and
You
normally
can?
they're white. So because everyone's got one, I was like, nah, this is not for me anymore. I could have kept the car, but I didn't want to.
So then you were like, okay, now I'm gonna go more to the Fiat Punto lifestyle.
Ah, Jackie! No! We need to name this car.
Okay.
This car needs a name, and you guys are the ones that are going to be here for it. Have you got any ideas?
Oh God, you put me on the spot. Can I have a brainstorm about it?
Have a brainstorm and let me know.
Is it gonna be gender neutral or is it gonna be female or male?
Okay, so that's the other question. Does
Yeah.
it look like a girl or a boy? The colour,
What if it's non-binary?
it could be a non-binary car, especially with the colour it is. What we need, guys, get in the comments, and we want to have the name for the new Abarth. And I'll pick some,
Okay.
and then I'll put it on a poll on Instagram, and you can vote for the best one. So if you're not following us on Instagram, go over there at Driver School TV, and we're gonna have the new Abarth
Yes,
named by you.
but he will make the ultimate decision.
No. I'll pick the best ones
Okay,
from the
okay.
YouTube suggestions, and then I'll put a poll on Instagram, and then you will choose the ultimate last. Yeah.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Make it as ridiculous as possible.
Yeah,
please.
the car's outrageous. The car's ridiculous, so it needs to
Yeah.
have a ridiculous, outrageous,
Ridiculous.
fluorescent yellow style name. So, guys, thank you very much for watching. What's up, Jackie? She's coming back for some more lessons. Get in the comments, give her some love, energy, and props
Yay.
and encouragement for her driving test coming up super soon. And we'll see you soon.
Very soon. Thank you for watching.
Peace.